Hi everyone, welcome to the Pedia Trend Channel 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 review. Experience unmatched power, rugged design, and cutting-edge innovation with the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This next-generation truck is built to exceed expectations, whether for work or play. In this presentation, we'll explore the Sierra 1500's bold exterior, luxurious interior, advanced safety features, and outstanding performance capabilities. Get ready to elevate your driving experience. Let's begin. Exterior design. The 2025 Sierra 1500 showcases a commanding and refined exterior with bold front grille with GMC signature design, sleek LED headlights and C-shaped daytime running lights. 20-inch aluminum wheels, integrated dual exhaust outlets, versatile multi-pro tailgate. Its design ensures it makes a statement on any terrain. Interior and comfort. Step inside and enjoy premium leather upholstery for up to 5 passengers, heated and ventilated front seats with memory function, 13.4-inch touchscreen display, GMC IntelliLink infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, tri-zone automatic climate control, safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority with features such as GMC Pro Safety Package, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, 360-degree camera system, automatic emergency braking, powertrain and performance. The Sierra 1500 is available with 6.2 liters V8 engine, 420 horsepower, 460 pounds-to-feet torque, 3.0 liters Duramax diesel engine, 305 horsepower, 495 pounds-to-feet torque, 10-speed automatic transmission, advanced 4x4 system with selectable drive modes. Performance capabilities. With adaptive suspension, strong, lightweight frame, precise electronic power steering, the Sierra 1500 delivers impressive towing and off-road performance. Towing capacity, up to 13,200 pounds, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.8 seconds. V8, fuel economy, up to 24 miles per gallon highway, diesel. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 is available in 5 trim levels: Pro, starting at $38,000, SLE, starting at $48,000, Elevation, starting at $53,000, SLT, starting at $58,000, Denali Ultimate, starting at $72,000. Each trim offers a blend of performance, luxury, and capability tailored to your needs. Experience the pinnacle of power and sophistication. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500, built for greatness.